before you even start watching, just like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and welcome back. Don't forget to share the video.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Kenisha Says. So today, I'm here just chilling on my deck, my backyard. It's a beautiful day, as you can see the birds chirping and all these things. So today, I'm actually going to be showing you, as promised, because if you had watched my last video regarding creating an office space, I did tell you guys that I wanted to do like redecorate or redecorate my kids playroom. So I've done that, and you're going to see that video today. So I want you guys to tell me what you think, if I did a great job. But before I jump into that, I wanted to talk about just not giving up. You know, over the past couple of days, I've been feeling some kind of way, like I need to stop doing what I'm doing. You know, sometimes you get a little bit of negativity, and it kind of just kicks you the wrong way, you know, and it kind of makes you just rethink a lot of things that you're doing, if it makes sense, if it's worth it. And if you have watched all my videos, all my diehard supporters out there, I've been always talking about just being a lazy person. But one thing, and you know, lazy and giving up and whatever not. But one thing I can tell you is that in everything that I do, I give 100% every time, right? And so because I go in full force, it's like I'm expecting the same results as I'm putting out immediately, which I know is not feasible, right? But that's how I am. I procrastinate, but when I do things, I give my 100%. And I'm a person also that I'm easily tired of stuff. I'm just easily tired of stuff. So I've been thinking more and more about this for the last couple of weeks. I mean, it has been something that I've always struggled with, and I've always pushed myself to continue to do what I'm doing. But for the past couple of days, I've been pushing to say, hey, you gotta snap out of it. Like, life doesn't just happen. And obviously I know that because I'm not a baby, right? I'm grown enough to know that it doesn't happen overnight. But you know, sometimes when you really want something and it doesn't happen immediately, you just get discouraged. And so my message to you today is basically to talk to you about, you know, not giving up. You know, maybe you're at school and you have gone to school for several different courses or different majors or whatever it is, and you realize that no matter what you do, you're just not passing your classes or whatever. Don't give up. Don't give up. If you're in a job and, you know, you're trying to fight for this promotion, you've been there for years, and they keep on, you know, going over you, hiring people outside, you know, promoting people that are not even worthy of being promoted, and you're still the person that has to be training them. Don't give up. If you are, I don't know, trying to get pregnant, and no matter what you try, you know, baby, it's not there yet, it's just not coming. Don't give up. Like, no matter what you're doing right now, you know, I'm here to tell you, don't give up. Because you know what? Sometimes that moment that you give up, that diamond is just one more dig away. Just one more dig away, right? So don't let it be, what if I had done that? Still continue to give your 100% every time. So at the end of the day, even if it doesn't work out, at least you know you tried your best and you're not going to live with that regret, right? And I think I've said that before in my last video, but I want you to know that you don't give up. Do not give up, no matter what people say, no matter what people tell you. If you want it that bad, if it is eating you inside and you're just so hungry for it, right? Don't give up. Just keep on pushing, keep on fighting, keep on digging, keep on trucking for anything that you want out there. Just keep on pushing. Do not give up. because again, the moment that you give up is that's when, you know, all your work is just gone down the drain, and that moment is when that benefit was there for you to reap, but you didn't push out that much effort, or you didn't give it that last straw out there, right? And then now you live with regret. So don't give up, people. Do not give up. All right. So yeah, I know that was a little bit maybe a little bit sad, but I just wanted to get that out there, guys. Do not give up on anything that you're doing. Do not give up on your kids. Do not give up on having kids. And I can tell you that, you know, I've had friends and families and stuff like that, that including myself, that was about to give up on certain things. But let me tell you something. God works in mysterious ways. And nothing happened before its time. And it happened the time that it's supposed to happen. I really believe in that. So keep on pushing, because when your blessings start flowing, girl, when your blessings start flowing down and you start reaping, you're not even ready for it yet. So make sure you have a big bucket or a basket or whatever it is, because you need to double up on that blessing, double up on those storage that you have, because God is not, when God starts flowing on those blessings on you, you're not gonna have enough pan and basket and drum and nothing for hold it. So don't give up. Nothing happen before it's time. Alright? So again, today we're basically gonna be showing you me decorating my kids' playroom. So tell me what you think. No pass, no judgment. This room is the worst room in the house, and I try to avoid it because when the kids come out here, it's them just turn the place upside down. No matter how much you clean it and organize it, it's just a mess. But today I'm actually gonna be showing you some stuff that I got from Amazon that I'm gonna be using to decorate out here and organize it one more time, and let's see how it goes. So let me show you how it's looking right now. Again, no judgment, okay? So this is how the playroom is looking right now, and no judgments about how it's looking. These kids just take out everything out here and just throw it all over the place, right? And no matter how much you have to clean it up, it's just a mess, especially Miss Tavania. She'll be pulling out her stuff, just pulling out the organizer and everything. All right, so these are some of the stuff that I have right here. So we're gonna be opening up these and show you what I'll be doing with this crazy place. This is, okay, so this is like some wall stickers, trees and stuff that I'll be placing on, let me see if I can show you, on that wall over there, right? You'll see. Sonic thing, so you have to rip it off and put it on the wall. This is gonna go over his side over there with some writing over it. I want to put like something saying Tristan's World or something like that. And this is Mr. Vanian's own Rapunzel. So it's gonna look something like this. It's gonna be over her side, because this part is Tavania's own. This part of the room is Tavania's room, and this part is gonna be Tristan's part, right? So all boys, all girls. So it's gonna be Rapunzel, and then over it, I'm gonna put some wording that says Princess Tavania. So you'll also see the outcome of that as well. like it? You like it?
Yes.
They're pretty?
Yeah.
No, guys, tell me, did you like that? Do you think I should be doing more of that? What do you think? Do you think I'm a good interior decorator? I don't know. Should I try putting my hands in something like that? Let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, right? So Kenesha says, one more time, I'm going to repeat what I said before. Do not give up. That diamond is one dig away. So baby girl, baby boy, kids, whoever watching this right now that needs to hear this, get your storage basket out and double up on that, because when your blessings ready to flow, it's gonna flow in abundance. Okay, so again guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until later, bye.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say.